Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study Math JEE step by step. Start by mapping your syllabus into clear topics and rank them by importance and weakness. Break study time into focused blocks with specific goals and mix practice problems daily. Review every mistake and summarize key methods in short notes for quick revision. Test yourself weekly under timed conditions and adapt your schedule based on results and energy levels. Organize study sessions around concept mastery, then practice application immediately to reinforce understanding. Work examples step by step, then hide solutions and attempt similar problems from memory. Alternate focused practice with mixed review sessions to simulate exam conditions and prevent topic isolation. Keep formula sheets concise and review them during short breaks or transitions. Reward consistent progress with small breaks and maintain steady pacing to avoid burnout while improving accuracy. Quick recommendation before we continue: if you're sitting long study hours, grab a sturdy water bottle to stay hydrated and focused. The Oala bottle keeps drinks cold, has a leak-proof spout, and fits most backpack pockets, so it's perfect between problem sets. If this helps, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Treat practice tests as learning tools rather than only performance checks to gain insight into error patterns. After each test, classify mistakes into concept, carelessness, or time pressure categories and create targeted drills. Rotate problem types in daily practice to develop flexibility and avoid predictability. Gradually increase test difficulty and simulate real exam timing and environment to build stamina. Keep a concise error log to revisit high-impact topics before every mock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.